Okay everybody, so this is going to be our first week using CodeCombat. So here I am at codecombat.com, and you could sign in, you could do login over here on the top. Okay, if you haven't set up your account yet, you got to go to I'm a Student, and I explained that in the previous video. But once you have your account, you go to login. Okay, and then you're going to put your username or your password that you created last week. So in this example, this class is on Python, which is a programming language. And you're going to click continue. Okay. Now, these different circles here are the different levels of the game. So you see we have 7, 9, 10, 11, 12. It goes all the way through the different areas here. So these are going to be each of the stages in CodeCombat. Okay, there's 18 stages. So we're going to look at this one here, number 2, Gems in the Deep. So I click play. And here's our goals: avoid the spikes, collect the gems. And, okay, they're going to give us a little introduction here. Hero.move right is how you're going to move right. Start the level. Sometimes you'll have videos that will give you a little instruction, and sometimes you'll have a hint. So if you get stuck, you just click on hint here, and they'll give you a little hint. Hero, move right, if you want to move right. And hero, move up. You could do that if you want. And you could keep using your hints if you get stuck. So that's that part. This one's pretty easy at first. So I already started this one here because I had already did this level. But what you're going to do is you're going to type in what you want, and they'll help you fill it in here. So if here I wanted to go right, I go hero and move right. So let's look at what I wrote here. I had hero, move right, hero, move down, hero, move up, hero, move up to get this gem, and move right. So I'm going to run the program, and he's going to get his gems. He's going to hero, move up. He's moving up again, and then he moves right. Okay, so he's got his gems, and then it says success, and then I click done, and then I go on to the next one. But I want to look at number 4 here, enemy mine. And here you have to get the gem, and you got to use 5 codes or less. And you can't go into these mines here, because if you go into the mine, you're going to lose the level. And you could simplify your code. Okay, and we're going to talk about how to simplify code in here. Instead of saying move right, you put a number 2, and they'll do 2 move rights. So we're going to start the level. And this red line here, that's where they want us to go. They want us to follow this red line, and they don't want you to go on this purple, because that's going to end the game here. Now I put this here, I started this level already, that's why it's moving it. But you see I put a 3 here, that's move right 3 times, and this is move right 2 times and move down 3 times. So if you put in a 3 in there, it will move it 3 times instead of going 1 time. Okay, so I wanted to show the children that one because that one was a little trickier. And then you could click done, and then you move on to the next one.